Good evening, friends. I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 5th of July, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 6th of July, Wednesday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. First, let's look at the Indian indices. All of the indices closed in red. We have seen a sharp fall in the second half. The first half was bullish and the second half was a completely bearish. If we talk about the European indices, Germany is trading in red. All the indices are up, down by around more than 1%. In fact, some of the indices are down by more than 2%. If we talk about France, similar is the case with France. All the indices are trading in red. If we talk about UK majority of the indices are trading in red. However, FTSE AIM 100 is somewhat uh, down by just 28 points, 0.69%. So it looks like all the indices are trading in red. If we talk about the Asian indices, particularly China showed mixed signals. Couple of indices were in green, couple of indices were in red. So mixed signals from the China. If we talk about US, in US we are seeing weakness. Dow Jones is down by 2%, Nasdaq 1%, and S&P 500 is also down by 2%. So it looks like we are having a weak opening after a holiday in the US. Let's go to the FII data. FIs were net buyers. They have bought for 1,295 crores. I'm not believing this figure because what has happened today is we have seen a huge selling, and God knows where, at what point FIs have bought this 1,295 crores. And on contrary, DIs got bearish and they have sold for 257 crores. So it looks like FIs are turning bullish. If that's the case, then it's really good for the Indian market. But the rupee is getting weak day by day with respect to the US dollar. So of course we cannot trust this figure, because generally what we have seen is whenever the rupee gets weak, the FI pulls out money from the Indian markets and take away the dollars. So on a 15-minute chart of Nifty, what we saw a gap of opening of 73 points. It was a bullish move. We touched a high of 16,025, and then from there we have seen a sharp fall in the second half. So what has happened over here is Nifty has filled the gap, and in fact it has broken the trend line which was coming from here. And in fact both the trend lines are got broken. First, this trend line which was coming from yesterday and day before yesterday, first this trend line was broken, and then second, the trend line which was coming from the top, this trend line also got broken. So it looks like we are having a weak session as of now in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. What is need to be looked at is the SGX Nifty. Right now, SGX Nifty is trading around 15,700. Let's see what happens tomorrow morning. So for tomorrow, the first resistance is 15,820, followed by 15,900, and then 16,000. So 16,000 is going to be the resistance for this expiry level. The support comes at 15,735, followed by 15,670, and then 15,500. Let's go to the option chain to validate the levels. Earlier in the morning session, we saw a huge put writing at 16,000 and 15,900, which is closed by the put writers because they have lost the conviction. And huge call writing has happened at 15,900 and 16,000. What we need to see is 15,500 is the zone where we can see good amount of put writers. What is interesting to see is all the call put writers have closed their positions at 15,700 also. So it looks like uh, they are not interested in holding their positions, and majority of them have closed their positions. So let's see what happens. So for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, for this expiry, 15,500 to 16,000 is the range. Let's look at Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we opened 143 points higher, and then we touched the top at 34,355, and from there we have seen a huge fall, and it has taken support at 33,750 is going to be the first support, followed by 33,600 and then 33,400. The first resistance is at 34,000, followed by 34,100 and then 34,250. So guys, what we need to look at is look at this trend line which is broken today. Okay, and if you guys just follow these trend lines, you can make huge amount of money when these trend lines are broken and when these trend lines are respected by the market. Let's go to the option chain of Bank Nifty. As of now, we are at 33,800, but 34,000 looks like a resistance level because all the call writers are taking grip at this level, and the put writers have started closing their positions over here. So for Bank Nifty, 33,000 can be a level which can taken as a support for this week in a safe manner. However, risky traders can take the support at 33,500. So 33,500 to 34,000 is the level for Bank Nifty. That's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.